Hey there, I'm Douglas from Draftbit, and today we're going to be looking at the center component. This is a simple yet powerful tool for centering your content effortlessly. We'll build a clean and functional welcome screen together, so stick around to see it in action. So what is the center component? The center component is a pre-styled view designed to center anything you add to it. It's perfect for building layouts where alignment and symmetry are key, like a splice screen, a model, or error states. To add this component, head over to the component picker, click add, then we're going to search for center. And now anything that we add in this center component is going to be centered on the screen. First, what I want to do is I want to add a logo. So this is just going to be an image. And as you can see, without doing anything, it's been centered. So in a regular view, this wouldn't have been centered. This would have gone on the start. To make this even better, let's go to the center, then styles, then add flex 1. So what this does, this tells the center component to take up as much space as it can. And now it's full screen, whereas before it was just taking this top part. Then what I want to do, below the image, I want text that says welcome to the application. Then I'm just going to style this text. And then I'm going to go back to the center component, and on gap, I'm going to add 20. So what gap does is it adds space in between components. Now you see we have a nice space between the top and the bottom. Now let's go on web preview so we can see how this looks like on web. And as you can see on web, it looks nice. Everything is centered. The center component has some configuration properties. So if we go back to the center component and head over to config, we'll notice that we have the component name. This is the name as it appears in the component tree. So we can give it something meaningful like center welcome. So in the event that we have many center components, we can identify which one we're looking at. And this functionality of centering content to the screen can be done using a regular old view component, but then this comes pre-configured with those styles and it's much easier and faster to use. And that's it. We've just created a slick and functional welcome screen using the center component. With just a few steps, you've got a polished layout that's easy to customize. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.